So you can see right here. This room is built out now. You've even got the art that we got from the end user. This was for a Novotel hotel.
Okay.
So even the TV itself that they have there, as you can see there, it's there you go. You see the Novotel. So this is on the TV. So when you first open up the TV, that's the screen that you would see. So even that's factored in. After the software is rendered, there you go. So before, and then after the calculation done, there is the rendered scene.
Right. And it's currently loading. There it is.
There it is. And that makes a huge difference.
Right. And as you said before, you can take these and actually export them and utilize them in Lightroom and things like that to
100%. From here, this is the file that we would give that you would see, and we would export it to PDF. So the end user has all this information. They have all the viewing angles, anything they want to change. Well, what if I want to put a light here? What if I want to put a light there? What if you know what? I don't want to use SLSR brands. I want to use this other brand. Sure, no problem. Mm-hmm. How can I do that? Well, very simply, give us the IES files and we will just plug it in. And within minutes, we can say yes or no.
Right.
And it's completely, that's a beautiful image right there. We can say yes, we can say no, and it's completely unbiased.
Right.
The software doesn't lie.
And in the end as well, you can also change these from not just a rendered scenario, but to an actual heat map.
Correct.
And there's a lumen map as well.
Oh yeah, well that's what it is. It gives you a lux map.
Okay.
That's what it does.
Excuse me. So we can do all of this for you here at Southern Lighting Solutions. If you have any questions, of course, we have our website. This video will be available on our social media and on our website. You can always check it out. Our contact information is there. We can help with any size project, and we like to get involved to provide you a solution as best we can.
Absolutely.
So again, Tarek, thanks for walking us through the
pleasure.
The design process. Very interesting stuff. My name is McHugh David. Together we are the co-founders of Southern Lighting Solutions.
Yep.
Appreciate you guys joining us for the Get Lit podcast. We're going to be bringing you more episodes. We brought you 2 this week. You got something special. Only going to have 1 per week coming forward, but don't forget, we have the workbench, usually about 3 episodes per week. We're out there. Tarek is cutting himself, slicing himself, and electrocuting himself, and we have a lot of fun with that. Don't repeat those things at home, but we like to learn a lot about what we have to offer here, and of course, we'll be jumping in here. Going forward, we're going to be talking about stories of things that we've been doing, projects that we've been doing,
Absolutely.
And trying to give people an idea of just how accessible this is, how much light can change your life, and how much we can do for you.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, we've got we'd love to talk about projects we've got going on in the Middle East and over here.
Yep, and we're slowly but steadily getting involved. We got some drawings today for something here local, and we're very excited about jumping in on that.
Absolutely.
And once we get the go-ahead, we will talk to you guys about that. So, again, thanks for joining us. McHugh and Tarek here. We are signing off for the week. Be on the lookout for our last workbench on high bays tomorrow afternoon. That'll be Friday. And, of course, we'll be back at you guys next week.
Take care.